A lawsuit filed against the state and against the Medical Marijuana Authority. It's all over a law that took effect last month. The new law raises licensing fees up to 2,000% for some in the medical marijuana business. News 9's Haley Wager breaks down the specifics in the suit.
This lawsuit was filed challenging a bill passed in the 2022 regular session, calling that bill unconstitutional.
It was aggravating, it was frustrating.
Irritation coming from Senator Jessica Garvin. She authored the bill that this lawsuit calls unconstitutional.
It was a fair process.
The law at the center took effect June 1st and raises licensing fees from $2,500 to $50,000 on a tiered schedule. A group of marijuana dispensaries, growers, and labs are now questioning it.
This is a constitutional question about tax increases.
Jed Green is part of the group calling the law unconstitutional because it didn't meet the legislative criteria for a revenue bill to become law.
It did not receive a 3/4 majority.
Garvin says it's not a revenue bill, so it didn't need to meet those requirements.
We knew that that money was going directly to the agency and not into the general revenue.
Garvin says industry leaders were at the table when this decision was made.
This is not just a backdoor conversation.
The increased fee is expected to bring an extra $30 million to the state, money that would go to the Medical Marijuana Authority to investigate illegal grows.
We've got to get a handle on the illegal operations here in Oklahoma.
Green says the state doesn't need extra money at the expense of marijuana businesses.
This program has brought in over $500 million in the first 5 years to our state revenue.
To his point, because we didn't need that extra revenue, this was just something that we were doing strictly to get in line with what other states were doing.
The first Supreme Court hearing for the case is set for August 1st at the Capitol. For Oklahoma's Own, I'm Haley Wager.